Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about sketching and drawing your characters when you're using 3D models. Something you hear a lot of people say is they don't like using 3D models because it makes the characters look stiff and they don't flow. And so I'm going to tell you a few tips and tricks that can help you avoid those things and make your characters more natural, more natural looking. So okay, the first thing is pretty basic, and you go over the 3D model, not exactly tracing. It's more like sketching over it. It's kind of almost like tracing, but go over it, not like trying to like match everything like that. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is something more like how you normally sketch. Let's say I do something like this. It's not gonna be exactly the same, but it's gonna be pretty much like almost the same, pretty similar. Something I found is that it's not good to copy like the way they do the face. Like if you copy exactly, it's gonna come out a little weird, in my opinion. So what I like to do is just copy the center line like that, and then the eye level. That's pretty much all I do, copy, and then sometimes I put like the ear, like, you probably don't even have to do that. Whatever you think is best. Don't worry, like, maybe if you want like a little extra things, like exaggerate it a little bit, it doesn't matter. So, you can keep doing that, and then let's say, you get something like this. Let's say I did it ahead already, but from now on, you could actually just forget about the 3D model. Like you have all you need. Something good to do is something like this too, like a little extra guidelines. I do like this as a first sketch, and then I kind of hide the 3D model. So I like to keep a couple of these guidelines to help me see like the when it's coming forward and like the perspective. Look at the pose, pretty like rigid, right? Like it's like it's like straight. The body's straight. Uh, and something you could do to avoid that is just do like a better pose of the 3D model, like change it around and move it around so like it flows more. But you don't even have to do that, right? You have the sketch like this. Maybe not, so that the first step is done. I did the sketch. Now the second step is fixing the sketch, and something good to do is something like this. You can like mirror the drawing and see like, okay, what things look weird, or how can I make it more like dynamic. Okay, so what I like to do is, let's say you copy it, save like the copy. Yeah, and then you would start, take something like the lasso tool, or like select a part of it and start moving around. You can just do that, like almost like chop things around. Then the next step is this pretty much. You're trying to, you're gonna be moving things around, make it flow better, move things around, and to get a better, a more dynamic pose. So it's not gonna be this bad. It's gonna be better. So let's say I do something like this, change a couple of things, and I don't know. Hopefully this looks a little better. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. But quick example, and okay, so you can see here, this is like straight. This is a little more leaning forward, and here a little more. It's like slight changes. It's not really like a big thing. So the next step I like to do is the outfit. So let's say now you decided this is the outfit line, this is the pose and the body type you want. Okay, it's looking all right. Now, in a different layer, maybe you just go and do something like this. You do the outfit, and I don't like how the legs came out. They're not that great, but like the upper part is fine, I think. You can do the same for your own original characters, like, you know, just have the 3D model, draw over it, change it a little bit, change it, make it more like dynamic, and so it doesn't look stiff. And then after you have this is like the main thing, like the base. After you have the base, you know, the underdrawing, that's the most important thing. So those are my tips for drawing your characters with 3D models. You wanna, you know, first thing, obviously you got your character with a pose. So after you have that, you go over and draw your sketch. Don't copy it exactly, just like a rough idea of the pose. But then you go to the next step where you move things around, you know, exaggerate a couple of things, you know, make it like more flow a little more, or things like that, make it more dynamic. After you have this, then the next step is drawing the character's outfit on top. And I don't recommend just drawing like your outfit on top of the 3D model. It's good to do something like this. These steps are necessary. Like if you skip this the steps of the sketching, you know, your characters might look like stiff and things like that. So that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials. Also, if you like the video, it'd be great if you guys share it with your friends and followers and things like that. So that's gonna be it. Take care, guys. Bye.